So we are going to start with the new template here. This is millimeter, part millimeter ANSI. We are going to be designing a guitar knob, more specifically the guitar knob on a Telecaster. That's where I kind of got the idea. So we're going to start with the top surface, create a sketch, select your circle tool, select the origin, drag it out, select your dimension tool. Dimension this to be 21 millimeters. Go to features, extrude base. We are going to select 21, I believe. 22, excuse me. 22 millimeters, select OK. There's our basic shape of the guitar knob. We are going to create fillets on both sides. Hit Control to select both faces. Select your fillet feature and enter in 2 millimeters. Alright, so you can kind of see it getting together. Hit F to have it fit the screen, Control 7 to see the ISO. Now what we're going to do is create the helix that we'll need to start the gnarl surface there. I'm going to select this face, select sketch, select this circle, convert entities. That'll give us our base to start our helix. We are going to go to Insert, Curve, if I can find it, Helix Spiral. We're going to reverse directions, and we want this to go about an eighth revolution, not an entire revolution, but just 1/8. So 1 divided by 8, have SolidWorks do the math for you, and we are going to start it, say 180. But yeah, let's just go 0. And the way we're going to get our pitch is we want this to go all the way to the top here. And the way we're going to do that is just multiply it by 8, seeing as we divide by 8 for revolutions. So we're just going to multiply 20, multiply 20, oh, I'm sorry, 22, I believe, 22 times 8. And that should bring, yeah, there we go. See that it goes all the way to the top, and that's what we want. Select. Okay, and now we have our helix there. Now what we need is we're going to need a profile to cut this area out. So we are going to draw on this plane again. Shift 6 will get you the bottom. As you can see, that helix begins right here, so we're going to draw a tangent to this circle right here. So let's Control 6 to see the bottom. And get our line tool, and we're just going to draw it out here for being able to be able to see it better and visualize it. We're going to add a couple of relationships. Make these perpendicular. Make this and oops. We're going to make that tangent. And we are going to select the midpoint and make that coincidence. Now that should be okay, but just to make sure, we're going to select our midpoint here and select our profile. I'm going to select a pierce relationship. Now we're going to dimension our triangle here, and we're just going to go 1 for simplicity here. Select why this isn't. Here we go. Vertical. And now it's fully defined. Alright, now we're ready to exit the sketch. Real quick tidbit, if you're not finding that you have that option to select the swept cut feature, it's grayed out like this. Most likely it's because you're still in the sketch, and it won't allow you to access that feature if you're still in the sketch. So we're going to go swept cut. We're going to select our profile, and then select our path. You see, you see it display there, and that's pretty much what we want. So we're going to select that, and you see we have our first cut. This is kind of large. This is just to show you, give you an idea. The actual cutout there is probably much smaller. But now we're going to draw on the right plane, and we're going to create our center line to pattern this. Select the origin, draw a vertical line. Doesn't really have to be the full length. Now we're going to exit that sketch, put a linear pattern, circular pattern, and select that axis right there that we just created. Instances, we're going to try 22 equal spaced. Go to features or pattern, select that swept cut we just made, and there you go. Let's go 25. A little bit tighter. Alright, so we're going to hit OK, and hopefully this won't take too long to generate. Yeah, I have a pretty quick computer right now that I'm working on. And now, how are we going to create that crosshatch in the other direction? There's a really simple way. We're going to go to planes. I'm going to select this plane, and we are going to reverse direction. And since our height, the total height is 22, we're going to half that, and we're going to make it 11. That will take us to like the midplane of this object. We're going to hit OK, and on this midplane is where we're going to mirror this this hatch right here, and that should give us our normal surface that we wanted. So we will select mirror. We'll select this plane, and then we will select this circular pattern. Grab the sweep cut, yeah, and grab the sweep, your first cut, or else it will leave that blank. So that looks about right. We're going to select, and hopefully it'll power through this. And there we go. So there's kind of an ugly gnarl. I'll see if I can bring up a better one that I did earlier. Documents, files, inputs, guitar knob. So we're going to go, oh shoot, yeah, there we go. So here's what I did earlier. It's a little bit better. You can see I can even put the set screw hole in here. But it looks pretty good, I think. It's a nice Telecaster knob there. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want more, just comment and write. Thanks. Bye.